Hey guys, it's Joe at Jordanbikes. Got a lovely Triumph Tiger Explorer XC. This is the Globebuster, not the Ghostbuster. Brilliant bike, one of 50. These come standard with the headlight protector on there, the spotlights, the engine protection down here, but as another bonus, this one has got the heat protection up here. They come standard with the handguards, heated grips, cruise, traction, ABS, also heated seat. Really nice bike. You've also got the 3-piece luggage at the back here. As a massive added bonus, this bike has got a SATNAV on it, so you have to spend any money if you want to go touring the world on it. It's only done 12,524 miles, and it is a 2015 on a 15 plate. Real nice bike, really been looked after. Give it a quick fire up. Nice and torquey, been a 1200. As standard, they do come with the CNC foot pegs, Triumph foot pegs, and the spoked wheels, if you can get down there and have a quick nosy. Really nice bike, as I said, one of 50 in the orange. Where else can you go? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes, give us a call, drop us an email. We do finance, PCP, we take cash, and we absolutely love a part exchange. Cheers guys, see you soon.